It's interesting. I thought people would be more interested in seeing how to make money rather than let's just buy a stock. There's like a GME Kabul out there. Like people who just want to buy the stock without even thinking of the business. Well, here's what I don't get about it. For people who are fanatical about Tesla, I got that. It was a great product changing the world. If you talk about anything that's you look at certain particular stocks that are doing great things that might get overpriced or overvalued. And I understand people's enthusiasm. But to have a mall-based retailer that's actually failing, it's doing poor, trading at all-time highs when it comes to valuation, I think it's trading, if you believe that they're going to hit their numbers, if you believe it, they're trading at next 12 months like 42 times EBITDA, and normally would trade at 4. Best Buy's at like 8. So it just got to a point, every day is a new day in the stock market. You might have loved the setup on GME when it was $14 because there's a high short interest. There was a high short interest for a reason. Because pretty much their business is in terminal decline. But nobody wants to hear that. They just want to buy, and that's wonderful. At the end of the day, this is not a blue sky story. You could have made an argument that GameStop was overpriced at 20, 30, and now 40. The stock's going to go higher. It's going to go higher. The problem is, about the insider seller, eventually the company works against you. Because if this, they're sitting with over $1 billion in debt. So if you would just want to take the stock higher, traders, and the company says tomorrow, hey, we're going to go issue 30, 40, 50 million shares, you can't blame them.
Not
they're
at
not
all.
The ones doing it. They're operating a business. Somebody's like hijacked their story. It's more of a trading phenomenon. If you want to short GameStop, there's borrow to be short the stock. The borrow rate's gone down from like 80% to 20%. Some places 10%. Right now I think at these levels, people who are buying it are just chasing their own tail.
Okay.
It's almost like the story of the dog who caught the car. What are you going to do once you catch it, right?